Hi dear IELTS aspirants. Today I'm going to discuss IELTS Speaking Part 3 in sheer detail, which is the two-way discussion. There could be frequently asked questions, and the questions normally students ask about Part 3 are visible on your screen. For example, normally people ask me that what do you do if you don't understand the question? So don't need to panic. You can simply ask your examiner to repeat the question for clarity. And the other question which is normally being asked by the students is, what if I need time to think or I can think of an answer? So use time fillers. Yeah, you can think about it, but you should not stay silent. That's a difficult question. You can use this phrase, or let me think for a second, or that's a very interesting question, or let me think. It's very difficult to know exactly, or but I think, but I believe perhaps. So these are the phrases which you can utilize to kill the time and think or plan about the relevant question being asked in your exam. How can you extend your answers? You can paraphrase, you can explain why, you can give examples, you can make concessions, or you can also go through the video in which I had explained IELTS Speaking Part 1 and the strategies by which you can give extended responses. Let's now find out and understand Part 3 common questions. 7 common question types are there. Firstly, it's opinion type questions. For example, what do you think about any idea? There could be anything. Then evaluate. What do you think about someone else's opinion? The third type is about future. What do you think will happen in the future? Cause and effect is a fourth type. What caused this and or what effects has it or had? So this is a cause and effect question. The explanations are given in the red color. You can pause the screen and go through them. That is your assignment. Fifthly, we have hypothetical questions. Talk about imaginary or unreal situations. Then we have compare and contrast questions in which you need to talk about the difference and or similarities between two things. Lastly, we have the questions regarding past, like how were things different in the past and how have they changed? Or used to infinitive to talk about past habits or states that are now finished. So these are the 7 common question types regarding IELTS Speaking Part 3. Now let's find out the tips and tricks to deal with the Part 3 questions and retain maximum bands. There could be 4 to 5 abstract questions, deeper, more complex answers they would require. The questions are in front of you. For example, how have mobile phones changed the types of relationships people make? Like with the previous communication channels were different. With the invention of cell phones, everything has been changed. Now you have social media platforms, you have emailings, you have a number of other materials by which we need to communicate and develop relationships with the outside world. Go through the sample questions. The tip number 2 says, don't try to finish quickly, but give extended responses. Know the examiner is trying to stretch you and always give an answer. Fine. You should give a response and that is relevant to the question. Think about what structure the examiner is testing. Wide range of structures would be there. And the sample questions are there in front of your screen as well. You can go through the sample questions to clear up your ideas. So that is all for the day. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much. In case of any query, you can contact us by commenting or through the Agilitic channels. We're available on all the social media platforms. Thank you so much.